Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about quietresight.org. We'll find out whether this is a real or just another fake, right? So here, I'm sorry if I'm not able to pronounce their, company name or the website name, whatever it is. So the first thing is that the low trust score. So if you just go to here, Scam Advisor, and you can see this is 1 out of 100. That is, you know, what it could be worse than this, right? This is a website score, by the way. The second thing is that recent registration. The domain was recently registered, which raises red flag, and it suggested limited consumer feedback and establishment credibility. Maybe that's why their website score is 1 out of 100, right? And these are some of the reviews. The reviews are okay, but these are on the website. And if you just go to the trust pilot, here are some of the reviews. 40% came from 1 star, right? इसको 3 star ही दूंगा कौन भी मेरा I don't know what he's trying to say. ये website बहुत अच्छी है. Okay, got it. It means that this website is really good. I don't know what's this mean. I'm not able to read it. Okay, he is abusing this website, that this website is completely shit and is completely useless. ये साइट बहुत बकवास है. Okay, same thing. This website is completely stupid, not usable, right? So most of this website reviews are completely genuine. Of course, it is on Trustpilot, and you can see what's the reviews. Of course, this is a working website, but most of the consumer are not satisfied from it. So you can try yourself. If you want to go for it, you can read it, you can come to know. And here, if you want to contact them, there's only this thing, that is email, no phone number, nothing. Let's just go find out in the help center here. Okay, so in the help center, same thing, there's only email addresses. And if you just go to the about us option, same thing here. Okay, so who is the founder, who run this website, nothing is available. So it's completely up to you. If you want my advice, I will advise you don't go into this website. Find a different alternative popular one, right, where the reviews are good. And thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.